Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great at home and must be taking care of your health and your fitness also. Today we are going to start lesson number 8, looking after our body. Do you remember? Recently on 21st June, we all celebrated International Yoga Day. You all enjoyed a lot on that day after participating in different activities. Yoga combines breathing exercises, meditation, and poses proven to benefit mental as well as physical health. Yoga increases your flexibility, helps you to build strength, improves your posture, reduces your stress, lowers your blood pressure, helps you to make healthier life choices. 21st June is celebrated by United Nations as Yoga Day all over the world, not only in India. We want to live a happy life. We want to be healthy and fit to do our work and enjoy our life. To keep our body and surrounding healthy, we need to take proper care of all the small things. We must learn some good habits and follow them regularly. We can be healthy and enjoy our life by following the simple routine of eating healthy, exercising, maintaining hygiene, and taking enough rest. In our last lesson, lesson number 7, the food we eat, we learnt about food habits and types of food. We need healthy food to sustain ourselves. In order to live a healthy life, we need to take a balanced diet. Food that provides us with every nutrient and help us to grow and fight diseases is termed as healthy or balanced food. It contains all the nutrients required by the body. Food should be eaten at regular intervals. Special emphasis should be laid on fresh fruits and vegetables. Milk is an important food for children. Milk is also known as complete food because it contains all the important nutrients required for our body. You should drink it twice a day. Junk food should be avoided as it is not good for health. Exercise can make a big difference. Regular exercise keeps us fit and healthy. Playing outdoor games is good exercise and makes our body strong and healthy. In place of exercises, you can go for dancing, cycling, doing yoga, swimming, and many more things. All are good for keeping our body fit and active. As exercise is an important part of our life, in the same way, rest is required in adequate quantity. After a day's work, we feel tired. Proper rest relaxes our body. Sleeping at night for at least 6 to 8 hours gives us enough energy to walk again. You must have heard the saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. So, you need to go early to your bed and get up early in the morning. We must keep our body clean. There are many invisible enemies called germs which can make us sick. They can cause diseases if we do not fight them. For fighting with germs, we need to take care of our hygiene and cleanliness. Healthy food, plenty of exercise, proper rest, and clean habits along with clean environment help the body to remain healthy and fit. As you all know, we all are going through the trying times of Corona, or you can say COVID-19. It is most important thing during this hard time that you need to take care of your cleanliness and hygiene. Yoga and exercises can increase your immunity These are the things which can give strength to your immune system. So, you need to exercise regularly, follow a healthy life routine, and keep sanitization around yourself. For maintaining cleanliness, you have to brush your teeth before and after each meal. If you are not able to brush your teeth after each meal, you need to brush your teeth at least 2 times, in the morning and in evening. Keep washing your hands with soap or hand wash, or sanitize your hands with sanitizer. Take bath daily, and don't forget to clean your nails. Pare your nails at regular intervals. That's all in today's class. I will see you tomorrow with safety measures which we can use at the school, at home, playground, and on road also. We will discuss about first aid also. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day ahead.